Ceramic membrane tubes are versatile and can be used in various industries, including chemical, food processing, beverage, biomedical, and environmental protection. ATCERA offers different materials, such as alumina and silicon carbide. Alumina membrane tubes are the most widely used due to their comprehensive performance. Silicon carbide membrane tubes, on the other hand, have a lower density and better thermal shock resistance, making them suitable for specific applications. In the food and beverage industry, ceramic membrane tubes are used for milk filtration, juice concentration, and beverage production. In the chemical industry, they are essential for solid liquid and gas solid separation and purification of substances like benzene and alcohol. For environmental protection, these tubes purify oily wastewater, textile wastewater, urban sewage, and high-temperature waste gas. In the biomedical field, they separate particles, bacteria, and impurities in medicine, and help in refining and concentrating medicinal liquids. ATCERA not only provides standard products, but also customizes solutions based on user application scenarios and parameters, ensuring optimized products and services for customers.